Okay, good morning and welcome to my classroom demonstration. I am your teacher, Sir Gino Grandes. So let us all stand for a prayer to be led us by prayer. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir Gino.
Okay, before we start, we will check your attendance. So every leader on the group must follow this template and check the attendance of their members. Okay? Starting from group 1. Group 1 leader.
Good morning, classmates. Today, the group will have 4 members present and 0
Okay. So group 2.
Good morning, classmates. Today, the group captains have 4 members present, 0 member absent.
Complete attendance. Group 3.
Good morning, classmates. Today, the group wizards have 4 members present and 0 absent.
Okay, thank you. And the last.
Good morning, classmates. Today, the group warriors have 4 members present and 0 members absent.
So and all, perfect attendance. Plakpakanay. Okay. Help us relax. We will have a breathing exercise. Okay? Inhale, exhale. Mambala ko kumahol, mambala ko kuma-exhale. Okay? Ready? Sit properly. Hands on your laps. Okay, breathe in. Hold. Exhale using your mouth. Another. Breathe in. Hold. Exhale. Last. Inhale. Hold. So I hope that you are relaxed already. Now, we will check your emotions. So I've given you a card. There is a green and there is a blue emotion. If you feel confident, curious, happy, excited, you will show the green. But if you feel stressed, unsure, frustrated, or scared, show the blue. Okay? In the count of 3, please show your emotions. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, very good. Thank you. Some of you green, some of you blue. That's okay, no? So we're here to learn. And later, I hope na mag-change ang emotion. Kung nag-blue, I hope na mag-emo siya green at the end of our lesson. Okay, so now let's proceed with the topic. Okay? We have an activity and you're going to identify if it's moving or not. If the certain picture or situation has movement or not. Okay? Every picture, one person from the group will answer. Okay? So for picture 1, group 1, picture 2, group 2, picture 3, and so on. Okay? So the first picture. A person playing basketball. Group 1. Ayun siya. Okay. Why do you think it's moving? Okay. Yes, because it's running, it's walking, no? Very good. Now, let's proceed with group 2. A person playing statue na pala sa video. Isa. Not moving, why?
He's acting like a statue.
Okay, so if you're acting like a statue, you're not moving. Very good. Group 3. siya sa iya arms. Very good. And the last, look for. Not moving wide. Very good. Aika, Chaklo. Okay. So, the two pictures you've selected that has no movement is this one, right? The one sleeping and the one plays statue something. So, what do you think they are not moving? Or what is your basis? What is your basis of saying that it's not moving? Lucian.
Ang statue slow.
Sleeping yan. Okay, so example ko. What if nag-play ko ni statue? And then after 1 hour, nakita ko na ko dito rin ako. Nag-move ko wala. So anong reason? Ano nga itong basiyan? Kasi nag-move siya. Pwede. Distance. Ano nag-change sa akon? Place. Change in position. Very good. We can say that an object is not moving if the position did not change. Gets down? So kung wala sa after 1 hour, stay still arap na sa Japon, it's not moving. Kung nagtulog ka 1 hour, arap na sa Japon, you're not moving. Kung nagtulog ka 2 days, arap na sa Japon, patay ka na. 2 days na. Okay. So let's proceed with our next activity. We're going to analyze a map. So kita na ka map? Yes. Kita na ka Google Earth? Yes. Okay, so this is a map of Biniquil. Poblasyon. Dito po yung high school. This is the barangay hall. Amo yung mga balay sa likod nila. Okay? Just imagine. Dili ka guys ha? Basta na lang may start. And you have to walk from your home pakadto sa gate. At sa pala din. So paano ba na siya mag-walking? Una siya. So there are 2 ways you can reach the school. It's either you travel by the road pakadto sa gate, or makalihid ka na pakadto dira. Sakto man. My question is, which path will you take to reach the school faster? So which path is faster? Miss Riofred. Right? Which path is faster? Ano na yung 2 paths? The straight path, Haliday? Okay. Why do you think this is faster? Okay, so shorter distance. While the dotted line is takes longer time, longer distance. Next, what do you think these lines represent? Ano yung represents? What does straight line represent? Is it a shorter line or a longer line? Very good. The straight line indicates a shorter line, while the dotted line represents longer line. Now, I want you to maminsan ka naman sa inyong house. How far do you think it will take to get from your house tutuot mo na kita balay at to sa school? Ilang minutes? Hindi na tayo nag-start, right? Oh, layo pa siya. So it will take reklamos 40 minutes, 45, pakadto sa school. Meaning, if the flag ceremony is 7, dapat masakay na sa tricycle alas 6. Alas 6 ka bugtaw. At ang alas na magkala. Super visa late. So dapat, kung hindi na gusto ma-late, dapat i-along man, you consider the time from your house to sa school. So kung lapit lang, okay lang. Okay, 2 minutes or 5 minutes. But if you are living far, so dapat i-consider naman ang time. Okay. Now, let's proceed with our mini activities. So you don't have the same activity. Group 1 lain, Group 2 lain, Group 3 lain, Group 4 lain. Pero, parehas lang ang time. Dapat you finish it in 10 minutes. So, instruction muna tayo. Using the master game groups, each group will be given activity with different tasks. Each group will be given 10 minutes preparation, after which they present ang output. So the crown will use Google Earth. Group 2, ma-solve some problem. Group 3, ma-maze. And group 4, you unscramble the letters. If the group finishes the activity before the time, one member will pop the balloon. Kung natapos na una, you pop the balloon, indicate na una ka mo. Okay, may prize na una na group. The activity performance will be marked according to the rubric. So there's a rubric that we should follow. Content, 4 points. Delivery and reporting, 4 points. And teamwork, 4 points. Total of 1 point. Okay? So, please read the instructions and use all the materials provided by me. The time starts now.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Group 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, my question for group 2 is how did you measure 14 meters? Okay, 8 plus 6 equals 14. How about 2?
8 minus 6.
8 minus 6 equals 2 meters. The same as sa other. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed with group 3.
Good morning, Sir Gino. Good morning, classmates. This is the reporting of Group Wizards.
So the question is, how many words did it take in order for you to arrive at the red point?
In order to arrive at the red point, I used 6 sentences.
Number 2, did you find any shortcut?
Yes, by finding a shorter path.
Thank you and bless you.
5 claps for group 3. 1, 2, 3. So the group 3 finds the shortest path from the start to the finish. Kung nakita nyo, nangitan sila shortcut in order to arrive in their final position. Okay? And it takes 87 little turns to reach their destination. Okay, very good. Nakapasok, no? Proceed with group 4. Last.
Good morning, Sir Gino. Good morning, classmates. This is the work of group warriors. First question, what did you get? What words did you get? Displacement is a vector that points from an object's initial position to its final position. Question number 2, did you get that in the first time? Is the teamwork important in accomplishing this activity?
Okay, 5 claps for group 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first group to finish is group 2. Therefore, may alam sila prize na daan una pala. Okay, prize in group 2. Catch. Skuran pa natin ang activity and then prize. Okay? So the group 4 naman, they have scrambled letters and they pasunod nila in order to form a sentence. This sentence is the definition of a later discussion na karon. Mausartan niya ila inggan. Okay? So, sino winner? Sino winner? Sino second? Take down initial position to final. Ano? I or from initial to final. So, i-measure ko na lang is only 5 meters. Ito na lang po. Hindi ka naman likod. You just measure the distance from the initial to final. Okay. So, meaning, the car has traveled 5 meters. Okay. So, we have another example. Dinda ang displacement, dinda ang distance. Mr. Vindan. Dinda ang displacement, dinda ang distance. Straight line or dot. Ano niya siya? Distance. Naginato ka na? Gusa. Okay, this is a displacement. And this is a distance. Naginato ka na sa unang activity. Okay. So the distance and displacement is equal, right? Pareho ang distance ka, displacement because the boat travels on a straight line. Another example. So, in the distance, pwede mo matutlo, is the yellow. Where's the distance? Ang straight line? Mr. Ignacio? Okay. So this is the distance. Pag sinabi natin distance, laba siya. Pag sinabi natin displacement, lipot siya. So this is the distance and this is the displacement for the shortcut. Okay? Last example. Miss Vigor. Din na displacement, din na distance. Straight line na lang siya. Okay? Straight line na displacement. At ano naman tawag sa niyo? Okay, distance naman na siya. Okay? So, kung ka-travel ka galing, agi-agi ka sa mga kalye, pwede ka galing ka pang lakto. You can go to the shortcut. Hindi ka lang magsaka sa ano. Or hindi ka lang maglupad. Pwede din siya kung aswang. Okay? Pero kung may balay, siyempre hindi ka maglakad. Okay? So, question. What's the difference between distance and displacement according to the given example? Ano ito mabala na distance siya? Ano mabala na displacement? Lusa.
Distance is the longest path taken and the displacement is the shortest path taken.
Okay, very good. Lapak. When you say distance longer, displacement shorter. Walang gitna ang aton definition. Next question. Is it possible to get zero displacement? Posible na mag-zero ang displacement? Yes or no?
Yes!
Possible or not?
Possible!
In what way na ma-zero siya? Paano ma-zero displacement? Ramos? Ha? Pwede? Correct? Ano pa again? Wala ko sa... What if nag-move ka na yan? Paano mo ma-zero yung displacement? Example, today, naglakad ko, ma-stop ko. Hindi na zero yung takson mo na ang shortness. Paano mag-zero, Day? Very good. You will return to your initial position. Ang nagbalik kasi yung starting point, your displacement will become zero. Okay. Last question. What if the car, for example, go back to its starting position? What happens to the distance? Natugtog mo sa car, 10, 5, and what if nagbalik sa liwat 5? Ilang distance? Sure?
Zero!
distance?
Zero.
Ang pamangkot ko distance.
30.
Nag-travel siya 10,
30.
5, 10, and then nagbalik siya 5.
30.
Distance.
30.
Okay, the total distance is 30 meters. Everybody say 30 meters.
30 meters.
And what will happen to the displacement kung nagbalik siya? Mr. Verdigay. Nag-travel siya 10, 5, 10, then nagbalik siya 5. What will happen to the displacement?
Okay, so after sa other exercises and operation.
Malikbot, pila. Verdigay? 5 meters. Ano yung matabo kung mabalik kasi mo na dyan posisyon? Displacement will become 0. If you return to your original position, the displacement is 0. Gets na? So again, what's the shorter distance ang tawag? 5 na lang kasama. Ang longer naman? Magbalik sa original position. Displacement is 0. Okay. Now, how can we relate our lesson with the real life situation? So we can relate this in a typhoon because Yolanda. Pero hindi apelido Magallanes sa Typhoon Yolanda. Sa November 8, 2013, the winds, Lucian, exceeds the 300 km/h. Mas lakaw pa. Usok-usok na siya. And there's a massive storm surge. It devastated Tacloban. And then, amo na siya. So, makita mo, sir, ano yung grabe sa storm surge? I will show you the video and please observe carefully. This is before pa sa storm surge. And it happens ilan na seconds. So imagine, masurvive mo na? Hindi. Maski na ma-evacuate pa kang ito, tapos sa So what is the result of this storm surge? Damo patay. Over 6,300 deaths. Nga napatay sila. Nag-evacuate sila sa school. Pero pag storm surge, ang school may grills. May grills pala? May metal na pala? Tiyari ding storm surge. Hindi sila kapwa. Natrap sila. Ang tubig naglapaw na sa classroom. Sulungo sila. Sa tatawa patay. Okay? Ang na-injured, 28,000. Ang na-displaced, 4 million. And then, ang homes na na-destroy, dapat tuloy na patay actually. So what's the solution? In order for us to avoid this kind of problem, na matabog diri sa aton, parang tutay lang ang mapatay, pero wala tayong mapatay. Anong yung muunta? Very good. We will plant mangrove trees. Very good. Another way again. Para tutay lang ang mapatay, pero wala tayong mapatay. Ng grouse. Very good. You must have a safety precaution. Ready ka na dapat. Ano pa? Example is away from the doors. And the last one, you follow the authorities and must obey. So, do you have any questions? Any questions? So again, please hold your cards. In the count of 3, you will show your emotion. If you feel confident, you feel happy, green. Kung hindi ka pa dyan, sigurado, blue. Okay? 1, 2, 3, show! Okay, very good. Siya ka green. Siya ka sa dapor. Okay, ito mo na. Thank you so much. Any questions? So we will test your understanding by giving a test. Number 1. Ako sa man purpose. Okay. You will write the answers provided. Wala ka mapilin sa you write the word. So let's start.
Humanities and Social Sciences.
Number 1. Distance is a vector. What it is? Number 2. Displacement can be greater than the distance. Displacement mo hindi lang taas pa sa distance. Number 3. Displacement is equal to 0 if the object travel back to its starting point. Number 4. A student walks 2 meter east and 2 meter west. What's the total distance traveled by each student? Sulat mo kayo. Kung may answer mo, right? And the last, student walks 2 meter east and 2 meter west. Solve for the displacement. Perfect. Ano ni siya? Ano number 4? Distance. Number 5? Displacement. Are you done? Lucian? Okay, are you done? lang pwede magtaas.
Natalie RBA. Sis Brina
Next.
Sakiko. And Alego Sarina A.E.
Record says, true. What's the distance? 2 plus 2 equals 4. And the last? 2 minus 2 equals? Come to correct answer. Passing score is 4 and 5. 4, 5. Okay, look at 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Consider naman 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, palakpakan ta. Okay, thank you for your participation. Assignment. Assignment mo. Sample niyo. Sample yung topic of the assignment. So, do you have any questions? Okay, goodbye. Arts and arts. Thank you again. Nakit naman to.
Thank you.